Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today we use these torn paper shaped frames to make a Christmas sticker card. First we cut this size frame 6 pieces. Then we paste 5 pieces together. Now we have pasted 5 pieces together. Now the frame becomes thicker. Then cover this clear plastic sheet. Because we make a sticker card, so we need this clear plastic sheet to make a window. Use this 3mm double-sided tape to paste the clear sheet. The last piece of frame to decorate this window. Okay, now the window is ready. This is metallic paste wax. We just use fingers to paint. This color is very beautiful. It's like metallic. Now we will add stickers and sequins and make this window sealed. First, we use double-sided tape. And add different color stickers. Then we cover another clear sheet to seal this window. The stickers are very cute, very beautiful. Now we use this metallic ribbon to wrap this window, just like wrap a gift box. Okay, now we make a background. We get this background from this embossing folder. We also use this golden metallic paste mix. Just brush as you hope. Here is the background we got. Seems metal on surface. And then we put this gift box on the background. We layer these two background cards together and paste the gift box on. This card almost done. It's very beautiful. Then we will use this metallic ribbon to make a bow. Stick the bow on the top of the gift box. It is just like a gift box. Very nice. And we will add this tag. This tag is the smallest frame of torn paper frames. Finally, we added this red frame, and it makes the card much beautiful. Also, we made this red color. It's also very beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.